Hello everyone, my name is Jules. Welcome to Jules Food and Garden. Today I'll be making coconut sweetbread. Let's go! These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my coconut sweetbread today. All-purpose flour, mixed fruits, raisin, cherry, cinnamon, nutmeg, almond flavor, baking powder, sweet milk, eggs, evercream, butter, brown sugar, and sweetened coconut. And that's the flour, the cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Yeah. And nutmeg. I'm gonna use this side of the grater and just grate it. Nutmeg. And I'm gonna put the recipe in the description, so it'll be okay. So this is the nutmeg. And the baking powder I'm gonna put in here as well. Three tablespoons of baking powder. Okay, so actually I use like half of a whole of nutmeg. And now I'm gonna use, hopefully this is enough. This is 3 of them. So this is 1, 2, 3 baking, 3 tablespoons baking powder. So now we're gonna sieve it together. The coconut already been grated in this package. I opted to do the one that's pre-done, so I'm gonna use this instead of grating the coconut. I'm gonna incorporate the coconut mixture in the flour. This is actually 7 ounces. So I'm gonna put this in. Let's fit in 7 ounces of coconut. So you can also leave a little to put on the top, to use as a topping. So I have a little more in the fridge. So I don't know. So now I'm gonna put a little. This is my take, my spin on it. I'm gonna put a little coconut milk powder in it. Just maybe 2 teaspoons of coconut milk powder. That's it. I just incorporate that in. It wasn't a part of my recipe, but something just told me to do it, and I obeyed the little voice in my head. Okay, so spin it around. So now we're gonna add the raisin and the chopped cherries. In as well. So I'm gonna cut them, but we need like half a cup. So we need half a cup of cherry. So I'm gonna tell myself that this is half a cup, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them because these are whole and it's supposed to be chopped. So cutting them in two. It's gonna be a very rich bread, and majority of the West Indian folks, they 3/4 cup. They this is mixed peel. They use this and Christmas, like at Christmas, Thanksgiving, and stuff like that. So this is the perfect time for me to get this done. This is some. Should have been raisin, but I'm gonna use prune instead. So it will be fine. I'm not. Prune is and this can be made without egg, and I think I'm gonna eliminate. No, I'm gonna add my egg to this one. This is not really a eggless one today. So, it's gonna be very fruity. And remember that when you're doing coconut sweet bread, the outer part of the bread, the crust usually hard, but the inner part moist at all times. Now I'm gonna have to melt the butter. 1 cup of butter. Okay, so this is the melted butter, which I'm gonna pour in the bowl as well. So I melted it as soft as I could, and then this was off my thing, so I'm gonna throw some in. This is it. And also the little almond flavor, and heavy cream in there. Awesome. I'm going to work it in and work in the tight. Then I'm going to put some milk. This is a lot of ingredients in this bread. The name of it is coconut sweet bread. So put that in. Just barely beat the egg. Lift it up. For the sweet milk, and if you notice, I don't put any sugar in there, because I'm putting the sweet milk, so I eliminate the sugar. You can put the sugar if you want to. Some almond milk, just to get it a little bit more nice. Do this. Remember, it must not be watery or liquefied. It has to be kind of tight. And don't mix it out too much smoothly, because you want that. Also try and eliminate the lumps. This is the way it's supposed to look. Very tight, not liquefied. Okay. But you want to get all the flour out, mixed out, because you don't want any lumped. Okay. I'll take a little bit more. You preheat the oven at 375 and it will bake for 40 to 45 minutes. So, I'm gonna grease my pan. I'm also gonna put parchment paper in it just to layer the bottom. I don't want it burned, so, and these are right. Grease here. Just a little piece in the middle. Put the parchment paper in. I think it's going to work this one. Okay, so we'll do this. Maybe I need 2. So this is the way it's going to be tight, because tight. So put it down like this. You have to give it room to rise. Okay. And you can drop your cherry and stuff like that on top. Clean around the area. Clean around the area. And you can put some additional cherries. Cherry on top. Cherry on top. If you want, you can put a little oatmeal on the top. Let's sprinkle a little oatmeal on it. This is a finished product. of my coconut sweetbread. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!